waffle breakfast restaurant, but they do lunch and dinner as well. Tire deflated randomly, so we had to change that over because it's quite clean. Looks like it's just burst under pressure. I mean, no one was on the bike, it was just the bags. We are on a nice little bridge. I've already broken this, there's a crack in the front. I think I dropped it when I lowered my bike. So, hello guys, here we are. Well, I've stopped, Dad's just coming up the hill. And we're going to have a look at whereabouts we are. I mean, we know we're on the right trail, it's just how far along the trail, how long until we reach the river / dam, and then how far we got to go. But the view here is quite exceptional, really. Hello guys, we have reached Lake 1, not the lake we want, but one of the ones we want. This is the first in the series, it's really hot, we're both pretty knackered because of the heat. Because the distance isn't that far, it's just the heat. It's a nice lake, you get to see across the woodland and how far we got to go. Hello guys, we are under a tunnel, a bridge, we're under a bridge. Nice little rivery that's next to a small lake that we were just talking about, the first lake, and it's so hot we decided we needed to just eat and drink from somewhere cool, so we came here. It's quite nice. I think we're both pretty knackered because of the heat. 4 miles left, me and Peter knackered, it's so hot. It's about like 30 degrees, 37 degrees, and we're cycled in the open, really. Hello people, we have arrived at the campsite.
But we've been here a little while, sorting things out, pumping water for drinking and cooking.
Got our dinner.
Just cooked some pasta and some veg with a powdered cheesy sauce.
Nothing special, but just what I like. I'm a pasta guy, anything goes with pasta. Get your carbs, how would you say?